Hey guys, so eBay selling fees. We know they're really expensive. If you're a personal seller, they range from 10 to 12% on each time you sell a product. So let's say you sell a product for £100, it's usually £10 or £12 eBay fee. Plus you normally have the PayPal fee, which I think they've got rid of, which is usually a couple of percent. So it usually tends to be about 10 to 15% off your final sale. However, today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce those fees. So, eBay send out promotions every couple of months, probably once or twice a month. Those promotions are emailed out to you with a link that says activate this offer. You click on the offer and the offers are usually £1 max selling fees, £3 max selling fees and 80% off your variable selling fee. So that basically means it's going to be about 2% of the selling price. Now, all of these offers are really great because it means that you get to keep more of your profits. So when you get these emails, all you do is you click on the link to activate this offer. This offer always tends to be that if you list the product between Friday and Monday, you will qualify for this offer. So any listings that you've listed during that period will qualify for the £1 max selling fee, £3 max selling fee, or 80% off variable selling fee. So that basically means that you're going to have a lot more profit out of those sales. The best advice I can give you is to make placeholder listings. Now if you don't know what a placeholder listing is, it's basically you listing something like a rubber or a calculator or a pencil or a piece of paper for like £300 because no one is going to buy that product. List it on eBay between the Friday and the Monday. No one is going to buy it, so don't worry about it at all. And then when you do get a product that you want to sell through eBay, whether it's old stuff or you're a reseller and you need to sell stuff on for profit, just change the listing. So edit the listing. So all you need to do is just change the pictures, change the title, change the category, change the price, delivery, etc. Remove the pieces of paper, literally just edit the whole advert and it will still qualify for the reduced selling fees. So that's the best way around reducing your eBay selling fees. The placeholder listings work an absolute treat. It's not illegal, it's just a little loophole in eBay's terms and conditions. You qualify for listing the products between Friday and Monday. It doesn't mean to say that you qualify when you've sold between Friday and Monday, it's just when it's listed. So obviously whenever it sells, you still qualify because you listed it within the promotion period. To qualify for these promotions, you need to have a clean eBay account. So unfortunately, people who don't have much feedback on eBay, you may not qualify for this because you need to have sort of like a reputable account with eBay and you need to have positive feedback as well. I know that there's some people that are like 95% positive feedback, they still qualify for the offers, but you really need to be around 100% just to make sure that you qualify every single time they send out the offer. Also, they do take into account anything like eBay strikes, which by that I mean if you're late to dispatch any products, they will take that into account, and sometimes you may not qualify for the offers because you've been late to dispatch an item. So you've got to make sure that you're on top of your eBay account and you've got very good feedback to qualify for these offers. So that's everything guys on how to reduce your eBay selling fees. Like I say, the promotions come through once or twice a month, so make sure to obviously look out for them, and whenever they do come in, make your placeholder listings up to 100 listings in that promotion period, and then obviously if the promotion comes through again, another 100 listings. Happy days. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Any questions, just drop a comment down below. Try my best to answer them. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one guys, and